Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Queen Marsha, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. But if you've been with me since day one, God bless you, and as always, you know I love you. With today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a very simple chickpea sandwich. Now, if you are a fan of fish or chicken, this recipe that I'm about to do right now is going to be a great alternative for it. And on top of that, it's also full of vitamins, nutrients. So if you're like one of those people who are lacking nutrition, this will be a great way to receive your nutrition. So with that being said, let's get to the video. Let me show you guys what Malik is eating right now, because he's outside and now he's calling me. But let me go show you guys what he's eating. He's also having his little healthy greens right now. Let me show you guys. Their superfood, it's a soup. And they're having that with cracker, you know, just for a snack. And a lot of you might not agree with this, but for me, it's, you know, my children love healthy food, so that's why I got it. And I'm gonna read some of the ingredients. It's filter water, broccoli, potatoes, onions, peas, celery, coconut cream, spinach. Hold on, Papa. Carrots, basil, evaporated cane sugar, garlic, sea salt, ginger juice. It also has sunflower. And I love this because, you know, it's a good source of vitamin A and fiber. And it's a non-GMO product. Non-GMO product. And it's USDA organic, so anything that says organic, I'm for it. But let me go outside to show you guys what they are having. Okay, so they ate all their crackers and they still have a little bit soup. Y'all gotta eat that soup too. I'm gonna so this is what they have left. So pretty much they ate all their crackers. They also had a camel tea with that. And they love it. So my kids, they eat a little. Okay, Malachi, with your honest opinion, how does that taste? The soup, the green soup, be honest.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, what you like about it? Well, what you love about it?
Well, it's just like nothing. Just kidding. Just kidding.
So you don't know?
I don't.
It just tastes good.
I just like it. That's all.
Okay, what about you, Makai? What about you, Makai? What you like about it? You like the soup? Did you like it, the green soup?
Yeah, it really tastes so good.
Okay, good. Malik, what about you? Come here. What you like about it? The green soup?
The crackers with it.
Oh, you like the crackers with it? Okay. All right, so you see. So yeah, my children, they love it. So that's just a snack. So I'm about to make their lunch.
Yay!
What you said?
I'm not even that hungry yet.
You're not hungry?
I just ate orange juice. I'm so hungry. I just ate.
Well, too bad.
Well,
that was just a snack. You have to eat your lunch. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a huge one, a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, share the video, and all that good stuff. And with that being said, let's get to the video, and God bless you. Okay, this is the can of chickpea that I use. I know it says garbanzo beans, but it's also known as chickpea. And make sure you grab your fork and make sure that you drain your chickpeas as well. So I already chopped my onions, and you can use as much as onions you like. And also I have this vegan mayonnaise, and I'll be using the Celtic sea salt. And just to let you know, this is the brand of Celtic sea salt that I use. And I love this brand because it's full of minerals and also has the same pH balance as our bodies. Don't forget the seaweed and also your seasoning salt. Now I use this brand because if you read the ingredients, it's all natural, so I love it as well. And remember I talked about the cayenne pepper? I just wanted to add a little spice to my sandwich. So right now I am about to smush everything up, season it up, and you'll get the picture. As you can see, this is a tiny bit of sea salt that I'm using, so you don't even need that much. So now I am smushing everything down with my fork. So there's no wrong or right way to do it. You can smush it to however you like. So this is the consistency that I was going for, and I went right ahead and add my onions. And remember, you can use as much as onions you like. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I added 1.5 tablespoons of vegan mayo, and you can add how much you want. So just mix everything up just like you was mixing real tuna fish. And also, this is the seaweed. This is like actually the best part of everything. I just love seaweed. It is so high in minerals as well. And you know, it comes from the water, so you're going to get all the nutrients and vitamins that your body needs. Trust me, you will feel different just by adding the seaweed with it. And my son loves it. I gave him the leftover because this boy, every time we go to Whole Food Market, he begs me to buy him seaweed. And you know, most kids, they'll beg you to buy candy, but not this one. So this is the bread that I'm using, and I love this bread because it is so low in calories, only 70 calories compared to other store-bought brands. So I'm about to toast my bread. If you don't want yours toasted, you don't have to toast it. So this is the finished look of my version of the chickpea tuna. And just spread it on your bread. And you know, I'm about to add my cayenne pepper on mine. My kids don't like nothing spicy. Only one of my kids do. But I'm about to add a lot of cayenne pepper because I want mine super spicy. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. It is so delicious, and it's healthy too. So guys, go ahead and take a bite and let them know what it tastes like.
It's not bad.
What about you, Malik?
No. This is delicious.
Good. So what on a scale from 1 to 10, what do you get? What do you rate this?
10. I might just say 8.
Okay.
8 or 9. 10.
Okay.
Say 9.
All right, well, we're about to end this video and tell the people bye, because I am hungry and I have to eat mine too.
Of course.
Bye.
Bye.